1001 Solve Problems in Engineering Mathematics, Day 3, number 106 to 111. So this is all about quadratic equation. Okay, so let's start with number 106. Determine k so that the equation 4x squared plus kx plus 1 equals 0 will have just one real solution. Okay, so para malaman natin ang one real solution ng quadratic equation, ang gagamitin natin dito ay yung discriminant. Okay, so ano ba yung discriminant? So ang discriminant, yan yung nasa quadratic formula. So ang quadratic formula ay x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So ito yung quadratic equation. Ang discriminant ay itong nandito. Okay? So yung radicand natin. So b squared minus 4ac. So yan yung magsasabi kung ilan ang solution natin. So, ang sabi, determine k so that the equation 4x squared plus kx plus 1 equals 0 will just have one real solution. Kapag one real solution, ang discriminant natin ay equal sa 0. Okay? Kasi pag nag-0 ito, di ba meron tayong dalawang solution, plus or minus. So, kung plus or minus 0, one real solution lang siya dahil maka-cancel out lang itong term na ito. So, matitira na lang is negative b over 2a. Okay, so isolve lang natin. B squared minus 4ac equals 0 dapat. So anong equation natin? We have 4x squared plus kx plus 1 equals 0. So isubstitute lang natin dito sa formula ng discriminant natin. Equate natin sa 0. So ang a natin dito is 4. B is equal to k. And then c is positive 1. So substitute lang natin dito. So we have b is k. So we have k squared minus 4, and then a is 4, and then c is 1. So equals 0, solve for k. So we have k squared, negative 4 times 4 times 1. So that is negative 16 equals 0. And then add 16 to both sides. So we have k squared is equal to 16, and then extract the square root of both sides. So therefore, the value of k is plus or minus square root of 16, that is equal to 4. Since ang nasa choices lang natin positive, so the correct answer is letter B, 4. Okay, so next number 107. Solve for x. So we have solve for x, 10x squared plus 10x plus 1. So malinaw naman ang mga choices natin ay hindi eksaktong mga numbers. So ibig sabihin, hindi pwede dito ang factoring. So gamitan na lang natin ito ng quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Okay, so alamin natin yung mga values ng a, b, and c. So a is, ito yung a natin, 10. B is equal to 10 ulit. And then c is equal to 1. So mapapansin nyo positive lahat. 10x squared plus 10x plus 1. Kapag positive lahat, para maging 0 yan, kailangan ang x natin dito ay magiging negative dapat. Okay, so therefore ang magiging, okay, so negative pala lahat yung choices natin. Wala palang may eliminate sa choices. Okay, so substitute lang natin sa formula natin. X equals negative. Value of b is 10. So we have negative 10 plus or minus. So substitute lang natin dito. Ang b natin ay 10. So we have 10 squared minus 4. Ang AC natin is 10 tsaka 1. So we have 4 times 10 times 1 all over 2 times A. So again, A is 10. Okay, so simplify lang natin. X equals negative 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared. So that is 100 minus 4 times 10. That is equal to 40. So 60 na agad yung mailalagay ko. So 2 times 10, we have 20. Simplify. So we have negative 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 40. That is 60 over 20. So pwedeng i-calculator na lang natin ito. So i-calculator na lang natin. So dalawa, ito ang calculator ko. So isahin lang natin. Positive muna tapos tsaka yung 20. Okay, so unahin ko yung square root sa calculator natin. So nasan ba yung square root? Ayan, so 60 muna. Okay, so tapos square root. So ayan yung square root of 60. So positive muna tayo. So subtract tayo ng 10. So minus 10. So we have Negative 2.25, tapos divide pa natin dito sa 20. So divided by 20, the answer is negative 0.113 pag naka-round off. So negative 0.113. So letter A or letter C? Letter A or letter C kapag positive tong square root of 60. So isolve naman natin itong negative. Negative square root of 60. Okay? So sulat muna natin. Ayan, 10. Tapos negative. Okay, so negative 10 and then minus square root of 60. So square root ba muna ang ilalagay? Ayan. So dapat pala una yung ano. So unahin na ulit natin ang 60. Tapos negative natin yan. Square root. So invalid input. Nagkamali tayo ng ano. So 60 muna. So tapos square root of 60. Tapos gawin natin negative yan. Okay? So yan yung negative 60. Tapos minus 10 equals tapos divided by 20. Okay? Divided by 20. Pag scientific calculator naman ang gamit nyo, idare-diretso nyo lang yan. Mabilis nang masasolve. So negative 0.887. So yung kanina 113A or C yun. So tapos yung another solution is negative 0.887. So that is letter A ang tamang sagot natin. Okay? So letter A ang correct answer for this number. Letter A. Ito yung dalawang value natin ng x. Okay, so next number 108. So if 1/3 and negative 3/2 are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the equation is, so parang isolve lang ulit natin ito ng factoring ng pabalik. So ang dalawang x natin, x equals 1/3 and x equals negative 3/2. So isosolve natin ng pabalik. So babalik na solve ng factoring. So gagawin nating 0 ito. So subtract 1/3 to both sides. So we have x minus 1/3 equals 0. Ito naman kabila, add 3/2 to both sides. So we have x plus 3/2 equals 0. Then tanggalin ang denominator na 2. Dito sa kabila naman 3. So multiply both sides by 3. Okay? So itong kabila, multiply both sides naman sa denominator na 2. Okay? So we have 3 times x. So that is 3x. 3 times negative 1/3. So that is negative 1 equals 0. So itong kabila, 2 times x. So we have 2x. Plus 2 times 3/2. So, syempre, maka-cancel out yung 2. So, plus 3 equals 0 times 2 is still 0. So, next natin. So, since 0 sila pareha, so gagawin natin 0. I-multiply natin itong nasa left side natin. So, 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 3 equals 0. And then last is i-multiply na lang natin ito using FOIL method. Okay, so multiply natin ito. Tapos itong outer, tapos inner, tapos itong last. Okay, so 3x times 2x, so that is equal to 6x squared. 3x times positive 3, so that is positive 9x. Negative 1 times 2x, that is negative 2x. Negative 1 times positive 3 is negative 3 equals 0. And then combine natin itong dalawang nasa gitna. So final answer, 6x squared plus 9x minus 2x is 7x minus 3 equals 0. So therefore, the correct answer is 6x squared plus 7x. So yun lang pala yung plus natin dito. Letter A, plus 7x minus 3. Okay, so next number 109. Which of the following is a root of this quadratic equation? 30x squared plus 49x plus 20 equals 0. So pwede tayong mag-quadratic formula ulit dito dahil yung mga choices natin ay decimal, no? Pero decimal pala to na terminating. So pwede rin sigurado, pwede rin dito ang factoring. Pero dahil malalaking number, kapag ganyang kalalaking number, mas maganda dyan, ang gagamitin na lang natin ay quadratic formula. Ika-calculator na lang natin. Mahirap na tong i-factoring dahil sa laki nga ng mga number natin. So we have A is equal to A equals 30. So, ba't nagkaroon dito ng bilog dito? Ayaw na niyang mawala. A equals 30, B equals 49, and then C is equal to 20. I-substitute lang natin sa quadratic formula. X equals negative B plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So substitute lang natin. So we have negative 49 plus or minus square root of 49 squared minus 4ac. Okay, so 4ac pa ang nailagay ko. So ang a natin ay 30 and then ang b natin is, ang c natin is 20. Then over 2a, so we have 2 times 30. Okay, so simplify lang natin. Equal siya sa negative 49 plus or minus square root of 49 squared, that is equal to 2,401. So we have 2,401 minus, so let's multiply, 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. So dalawang 0, so 2,000, ayan, 400 over 2 times 30 is equal to 60. So solve natin dito, diretso natin dito, x equals, we have negative 49 plus or minus square root of 2401 minus 2,400. So 1 na lang siya. 1 na lang, and then square root of 1, edi 1 pa rin over 60. So therefore, dalawa yung solution natin. Paghiwalayin natin, so x equals negative 49 plus 1 over 60, and then another is x equals negative 49 minus 1 over 60. So alin kaya dito ang magiging solution natin? Dalawa yung solution, so isa lang ang hinahanap natin. X equals negative 49 plus 1, that is equal to negative 48 over 60. So pag nilowest term natin ito, this will be negative. Pag dinivide natin sa 12, so divide natin pareha sa 12, so equal na siya sa negative 4 over 5, which is equal to negative 0.8. Okay, so yung negative 0.8 nasa choices natin, letter C. Yung isa, baka wala sa choices ito. X is equal to negative 49 minus 1. So we have negative 50 over 60. So pag nilowest term natin yan, that is equal to, cancel lang natin parehas yung 0. Negative 5 over 6. So wala sa choices ang negative 5 over 6. Kapag change natin sa decimal, ito ay repeating yan. So wala sa choices. So correct answer natin is letter C. Okay, so last number, or dalawa pa pala, may 111 pa. So 110, what is the discriminant of the equation 4x squared equals 8x minus 5? So para ang discriminant natin ay yung nasa quadratic formula na b squared minus 4ac. So kunin lang natin yan, pero kailangan i-standard form natin ito. So we have 4x squared equals 8x minus 5. Ilipat lang natin sa kabila itong 8x tsaka itong negative 5. Transpose, change lang natin ang sign. So we have 4x squared, lipat sa kabila, so maging negative 8x, negative 5, lipat sa kabila, magiging positive 5 equals 0. So therefore, A is 4, B is negative 8, and then C is positive 5. Substitute lang natin dito sa expression na ito. So we have B squared, so that is equal to negative 8 squared minus 4. A is 4, and then C is 5. So therefore, we have negative 8 times negative 8. So that is 64 minus, unahin natin itong 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 times 4. So that is 80. So 64 minus 80 is equal to negative 16. So the correct answer is letter B, negative 16. So ibig sabihin, ang sagot dito ay imaginary dahil ang discriminant natin ay negative. Okay, so last number, number 111. Given the equation 3x squared plus bx plus 12 equals 0, what is the value of b so that the roots of the equation are equal? Okay, para maging equal ang roots natin, so ang quadratic formula natin, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Para maging equal ang roots natin, ibig sabihin, itong discriminant natin, b squared minus 4ac, equal dapat sa 0. Para kahit plus siya or kahit minus, parehas na lang ang magiging sagot dito dahil negative b over 2a na lang yung matitira dito pag 0 na ito. Okay? So isolve lang natin, b squared minus 4ac equal dapat sa 0. Okay, so substitute lang natin. Ang value ng a is 3, a is 3, b is equal to, ayan, yung malaking b, and then C is equal to the constant term 12. So substitute natin sa formula, B squared. So palitan lang natin ng malaking B. B squared minus 4, the value of A is 3, and then the value of C is 12. Okay, equals 0. So we have B squared minus 4 times 3, that is 12. So lagay ko na lang dito, 12 times 12. Okay, para hindi ko na i-multiply yan kasi ayun na agad, yung may square. Tapos pwedeng isulat yan as B squared minus 12 squared equals 0. So we have B squared equals, lipat natin sa kabilang side. So we have 12 squared and then extract the square root of both sides para makancel na. Parehas yan. So therefore, B is equal to plus or minus 12. Siyempre, ang value ng B natin dahil galing sa square root. Okay? Or galing sa B squared. Okay? So therefore, ang nasa choices lang naman ay negative 12. So the correct answer is letter D, negative 12. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang reviewer para sa math ng engineering. Okay, so good luck po sa lahat ng nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.